A Ukrainian Defense Ministry advisor leaked a video of a bizarre star-shaped UFO encountered by the Ukrainian military during the ongoing Russia-Ukraine war. The footage was reportedly captured by a forward-looking infrared camera during military drone operations. According to reports, military communications expert and Defense Ministry advisor Serhiy Bezkresnov published infrared footage showing an unidentified object spotted by Ukrainian forces. Let's watch the whole footage. The sighting allegedly happened during combat operations, with the drone operating at around 800 meters. The object appears rounded, almost like a flattened sphere, with 6 sharp cone-like points sticking out from the main body, and having a central bright core, like that's the main energy source of the UFO. Infrared footage also reportedly shows a heat source near the center, and what looks like a warmer plume trailing behind it, almost like hot water vapors coming out of a steam locomotive. But this is what makes this UFO footage so shocking: it does not look like the usual disk, orb, or random light in the sky. It has a clear circular shape with 6 spike-like structures, very steady, a visible heat signature, and it was filmed in a military setting. But Ukraine is not jumping straight to aliens here. Bezkresnov reportedly warned that unidentified objects over Ukraine could be unknown Russian weapons, drones, surveillance systems, or experimental military tech. In a war zone, UFO does not mean extraterrestrial. It means unidentified, and possibly dangerous. Still, people are comparing this object to the recently released Pentagon UFO video from 2013, which showed an infrared object described as an 8-pointed star. The exact location of that sighting is unknown, but it took place somewhere over the Middle East in 2013. This particular UFO seemed to have a central dark orb surrounded by 8 spikes enclosed in a circle. This UFO kept floating in odd directions throughout the entire recording. But the most shocking part is that during this floating movement, it kept spraying some kind of gas which seems to leave a trail behind. Were the aliens trying to spray some chemicals over the Middle East as part of an experiment? But now looking at both of these UFOs side by side, both show very strange star-shaped formations that do not fit the conventional UFO descriptions. So what do you think? Unknown drone technology, infrared camera distortion, secret military equipment, or one of the weirdest UFO clips to come out of Ukraine? And this was also not the first time that Ukrainian soldiers came face to face with an alien UFO. A humongous UFO was spotted somewhere in February 2024. This particular footage shows Ukrainian soldiers from the 406th Battalion totally speechless and horrified after seeing the UFO right in front of them. You can't blame them for such a reaction, as for a minute they actually thought that it was a new Russian aircraft that was ready to attack them with a nuclear weapon. But this UFO was disc-shaped and was completely stationary, floating in air for the entire duration. This completely bamboozled the Ukrainian soldiers, who can be heard swearing in Russian out of fear of not being able to comprehend what they had just witnessed.
Не, что вони можуть пустити по нам, ти що? Охренеть, ни хрена.
Что это за херня
Та
такая?
вертоля тарелка
Ну,
по-любому.
блядь.
По-любому.
А ну приблизь еще.
На месте стоїть, ти ж бачиш?
А на месте, блядь, ну.
А в теплак ничего не светит?
А, що не так?
The scary footage was captured by a heat vision quadcopter drone used by the Ukrainian armed forces. This mysterious hovering object bears a striking resemblance to the Baghdad Phantom, a skinny, cylindrical object spotted above Iraq in May 2022 by the infrared heat camera of a U.S. Air Force Reaper drone. Surprisingly, a leaked 2018 U.S. Army video shows footage of a jellyfish-shaped UFO hovering above a U.S. Joint Operations base in Iraq. The jellyfish-shaped UFO has been officially designated by the United States intelligence agencies as a UAP, an unidentified aerial phenomena. The imaging used to capture this footage is thermographic forward-looking infrared, and in many instances the UAP is seen to go transparent, just like the Yautja did in the 1980s science fiction movie Predator. So why are alien crafts showing up at military bases around the world and now straight at the battleground? But going back to the UFOs spotted in Ukraine, were these just advanced Russian drones or actual UFOs that were there to keep an eye? As the war between Russia and Ukraine continues, there is a possibility that these bizarre UFOs might make more appearances and maybe even make their presence felt by getting actively involved in the war. If that were ever to happen, can we as humanity even defend ourselves against this super advanced alien enemy? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. And be sure to subscribe to the channel for the latest UFO sightings and revelations in space exploration. Hit the bell icon to stay updated, and let's continue to explore together.